Good afternoon, everyone. Before you clock out for the day, we have to discuss some financial matters. Firstly, we'll be having an office party tomorrow. However, due to budget cuts, we will be hosting only this single party for the fiscal year.
Screw this.
That's all, everyone. Have a great night. Oh, and feel free to bring any food.
And here's my world-famous potato salad! My cats watch me make this for 3 whole hours.
Famous? It looks like you just baked a cat into this.
Okay, well, if you're such a critic, what did you bring, Scrimbo?
Well, I brought those wings, topped with my, special sauce. Some of you guys might not be able to handle this, though.
Alright, let's just eat it before it gets cold. Hey guys, are you feeling the funky fresh flow?
Oh, you are just the cutest thing I've ever seen! Oh my God. You are coming home with Mama Norma.
I love working together with you guys. I love how we sell... Wait, what do we sell again?
So by using the solvent quotient of the spice mechanics, you guys are lost in the sauce.
Sorry, y'all. I had so much work to catch up on. Doing all y'all's jobs.
Oh, Evelyn, my dear girl. Finally, the backbone of this company reveals herself. You are forever a member of this company. You're hired.
Oh my goodness gracious. What is it that we do here again?
See, you'll fit right in.